Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today I want to share with you my free daily signal for Friday, December 21st, 2018. Okay, and I just posted a signal an hour ago for AUDCAD, and I don't have any fresh signals right at the moment, but I want to share with you this one particular signal right here. All right, it's very, very good. It's a good time to buy. Okay, and I wanted to wait to make this video to show you that it was actually going into profit. All right, I just now placed a buy trade, but if you look here, we have a blue histogram here, up arrow, and now we have some blue candles forming here on the Heikin-Ashi. Okay, so with that said, it looks like it's getting ready to go up. Now we see it had come up, hit this level before, came up, hit this level of resistance, and came down. And we look at the past couple of days, it's been riding in this range here. It keeps hitting this level of resistance, coming back down. But if we look in the past also, we can see that it hit this level of support and bounced up tremendously. Okay, and if we go to the higher time frames, okay, I want to look at the higher time frames also and see the H4. We see kind of the same scenario, all right, where it had come down, hit these levels of support, and bounced up again, all right, and had been riding this bullish wave for a long time, and now it's kind of just hovering this area right here, okay. And then if you go to the daily chart, let's see what the daily chart says, okay. Kind of see the same thing. We had this long uptrend, and now we have a downtrend, all right, and there's no green arrow yet, all right, to show a new uptrend forming, and we have a red area here. But if we go to the weekly chart, we see something a little bit different. We see a bullish market forming here, okay, and no red arrow yet. So this signifies that the overall trend is in fact bullish, okay. This will in fact go up. All right, if we go back to the 1 hour chart, what I predict is going to happen is that one thing, for until we get a red histogram showing, this is going to keep going up, and it hit this area of resistance right here, as we already see. But I feel strongly that this is going to break out, and it's going to go much higher. It's going to go probably. There's a level of resistance here. There's a level of resistance here, and there's one right in here also. There's one right here. All right. So these are kind of like different areas of resistance that it will potentially rise to. All right. And if you get the crosshairs right here, and we go from even just this level where I'm at now up to this level, we got almost 500 pips. We go a little higher, we see we have 700 pips, and we go a little higher, we got almost 1,000 pips, 950 pips. So you could essentially put a take profit. You could place 3 trades and each have a different take profit. All right. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, and we go from this point down to, I don't know where we are here, we see that this area of resistance lines up almost perfect with this 50.0. All right, and this also right here, this is at the 100%. If we look at this area right here, 61.8, it almost lines up with this area of resistance. So, these different areas of support and resistance almost line up perfect with the Fibonacci. And it also depends on exactly how you draw the Fibonacci. If you draw the Fibonacci, why'd I do that? draw the Fibonacci from down here up to here, you will see different levels, okay? And I can show you that as well. Let me delete that Fibo line. Okay, if you draw from here, come down to here, we also see that we have this 23.6. This is where I entered at, and then there's another level here, another level here. So this area of resistance that I was showing you lines up perfect with the 61.8. All right. So even if you use the Fibonacci or you just look at other previous levels of support and resistance, you can see where this trade is going to head to. Okay, I just want to kind of show you that, give you an idea of how to analyze the market a little bit. But as of right now, if you trade this Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, it is definitely going to shoot up. Okay, I would probably open this trade and hold it over the weekend and close it on Monday. I'm thinking it's going to continue for the long term up. All right, the Australian dollar itself over the last few weeks have been wanting to head to a bullish market anyhow, and it has stalled out, but eventually it's going to retrace and continue up on an uptrend. Okay, that is my prediction based on what has been going on in the market. So anyhow, that's my free daily signal: Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for a buy. Hold it, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please feel free to contact me on my private Facebook account. There's a link below in the description for my personal Facebook. Also, there's a link below for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so, and you can post any questions or comments there, and myself or other traders will be happy to assist you and answer any questions you may have. Okay? And I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, and have a wonderful weekend.